Hello everyone, welcome to Admission Updates. NEET MDS 2022 application form has been released. This is the official website of National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences, that is nbe.edu.in. After visiting this official website, you have to click on NEET MDS. Here you will get the application form link. You have to click on this link. Post that, this page will open. Here there are two links. One is new registration and another is applicant login. After completing the registration, you can log in by using the login details. Here are some important dates like form start date 4th January, form end date 24th January. And if you want to see the manual guideline, you can download this PDF manual of our online application form. You can check the image upload instructions. Let's see what is the image upload instruction. So here is the image upload instructions. See, this is the instructions to upload the photograph. Your photograph should be 35 mm wide and 45 mm long. Then height of the head should measure 70 to 80% of the height of photograph, and the candidate shall be required to upload two photographs. Here you have to upload two photographs. Then the photograph should be in white background. It can be either in stand or sitting position. Then let's check some more important details like uh, here the scanner resolution should be set to minimum 200 dpi. Okay, then the images should be in .jpeg or jpeg format. After that, let us check the size. What should be the size? So the size of the image should be less than 80 kb. If your image will be uh, of more than 80 kb size, then you will face problem at the time of uploading your photo. Okay, now let us check the details of signature. Signature should be done in the box of height 1.5 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter width. Then you have to use black or dark blue ink pen to sign within the box. Okay, then the size of the image should be between 20 kb to 100 kb. So this is the details related to the signature. Your signature should be in .jpg or jpg format, and size of the image should be less than 80 kb. Sorry, this detail is for resize the image to 20 kb to 100 kb. Maintain the aspect ratio, that is height. Okay, you have to maintain the aspect ratio of the signatures image. Okay, and remember that your signature size, uh, the size of the scanned image of the signature should be less than 80 kb. There are some details about thumb impression. So the box of the size of the box should be 3.5 centimeter to 1.5 centimeter, where 3.5 centimeter is width and 1.5 centimeter is height. You have to use blue black coloring pad. Then you have to press your left thumb impression. That means you have to use your left thumb for the thumb impression. And then the scanner should be set to 200 dpi. The image of the thumb impression should be in jpeg or jpg format, and the image should be less than 80 kb. The size of the image should be less than 80 kb. Here are some samples. You can check these samples in the manual. Okay, let us move on to the application process. To fill the application form, you have to click on the new registration. After that, the page will open like this. You are an applicant. If you are applying for the examination, you have to select I am an applicant, then click on submit button. Post that, read these instructions, and then click on the close button. Fill your name, confirm your name, mention your date of birth as given in the your 10th mark sheet. Here are some important privacy notice, so you can check on it, then close it. Yes, we are on the date of birth. So you have to mention here date of birth which is mentioned on your class 10 mark sheet certificate. Select your gender, nationality, then fill mobile number, alternate mobile number, then provide your email ID, then re-enter your email ID and click on the generate OTP to get an OTP on your email ID as well as on your mobile number. After that, you have to fill, you will get a box here to re-enter the OTP and then fill this 7 character and submit the detail for registration. So this is the details regarding application form and photographs instruction. I hope the video is useful for you. If it was useful, please like it and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.